Welcome back to Naimesh Explores. Today we leave Chicago early for an epic start to our 5-day Michigan journey. We hit the road as the sun rose, playlists on, snacks ready, rolling through quiet highways and small towns. After about 3 hours, we crossed into Michigan and felt the fresh air, and soon we arrived at Saugatuck Dune rides, where adventure awaited us with excitement. As we pulled up to Saugatuck Dune rides at 6495 Blue Star Highway, excitement filled the air. Open-air jeeps, laughter, cameras, families prepping for the ride. Tickets cost about $27 for a 40-minute ride. Saugatuck Douglas MI. We signed our waivers, climbed aboard, and the driver greeted us with a smile and a reminder to hang on tight. The tour is not just thrills, it mixes in local stories of the lost town of Singapore and nature along the way, creating a perfect blend. The ride began calm in the forest, then sudden climbs, sharp turns, and quick drops. The Jeep roared up sandy ridges and slid down like a roller coaster on sand. The wind rushed past and everyone laughed and cheered. We stopped for photos at the top of tall dunes with Lake Michigan glowing on the horizon. The soft golden sand stretched in all directions, offering endless scenic views of the shoreline. We stopped at scenic overlooks for photos. From one ridge, Lake Michigan stretched out like an ocean, glowing under the sun. Climbing the dunes felt like a workout, but reaching those grand views made it all worth it. The sand was soft, like beach sugar, and vast dunes rolled all around. The guides shared history and lore, something we'd later echo in our narration for everyone to enjoy. After the ride, we slowed down at Saugatuck Dunes State Park. This park covers 1,000 acres with 13 miles of trails and 2.5 miles of Lake Michigan shoreline. We hiked through shaded forest paths and sandy ridges, following the beach trail, the shortest walk to the shore. The path opened up to sweeping dunes and peaceful nature, a quiet contrast to the wild dune ride we had just experienced. Reaching the beach, we couldn't resist climbing the tall dunes that towered near the water. The climb was tough, each step sank into soft sand, but the reward was breathtaking. From the top, we saw endless blue lake on one side and rolling dune hills on the other. Running back down felt like flying, with sand shifting under every step. It was the perfect mix of challenge, laughter, and pure Michigan adventure. Standing at the top of the dunes looking over Lake Michigan, we took a moment to just breathe and appreciate the view, or the sound of the waves, the fresh lake breeze, and the soft sand underfoot made everything feel peaceful. It was a mix of adventure and calm, a perfect reminder of why trips like this are so memorable. These moments connect us to nature in a way that lasts forever. From there, we made our way to Oval Beach, one of America's top beaches. Soft sand, gentle waves, and wide-open lake views made for the perfect moment to pause. We strolled along the water's edge, dipped our toes, and soaked in the beauty. Parking can fill up on weekends, so arriving before sunset is best. The evening light painted the sky as we wrapped up our beach time perfectly. Before heading north, we stopped by downtown Saugatuck. Quaint shops, local galleries, and cozy cafes filled the lakeside town. We grabbed a snack and coffee, enjoyed the marina views, and felt the artistic charm of this little town. With friendly locals and colorful storefronts, Saugatuck gave us one last memory before leaving. As dusk crept in, we drove north to Cadillac, Michigan. Caberfae Peaks Resort welcomed us with quiet forest surroundings. Perfect for rest after a full day. Tomorrow we'll wake early to explore Sleeping Bear Dunes, lighthouse views, and more adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for day 2. Until then, keep exploring and keep the journey alive.